Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Learning Guitar. Jason Aldean has been with us a couple of times, 4 or 5 times or so. If you're a fan of him, make sure you subscribe to his channel. He will be back for sure. That is something I can promise. So, anyway, this song is called Hard to Love You. We're gonna have a cape ball on 3rd fret, and with that, we have 3 chords, 3 main chords. We're gonna throw in a 4th one that is used here and there. Otherwise, very easy to play this one, guys. So give it a shot if you love this song, Jason, and let's go. So cape is on. Let's go through the chords. We're gonna start with C. C goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have E minor next. Open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. We have F. It's a bar chord, so you place index finger on the 1st fret, you push down all strings, the strings you have, and then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. And these are the 3 main chords, but we also need to throw in the D minor. So D minor goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Now, let's go into the strumming and learn that. So grab the 1st C chord. We're gonna play one string that goes like this. Okay, so we can divide it into 2 different parts to make it easier to learn. So the first one will be down, 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 up. Okay, so down, 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 up. And then comes down, up, down, 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 up. Okay, so down, up, down, 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 up. This is the second part. So if you put this together, it will be down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. A couple rounds. So we have one main pattern in the song, and that goes for the verse and the chorus, and it goes C, 1 string around, then E minor 1 and F2. So we're gonna play C, E minor, and F. And then you start all over again, so. So there you have it, okay? And I'm gonna just mention where you're gonna throw in the D minor, because it's used at 2 different spots here in the song. So the D minor is used after the 2nd verse. So you play that 2nd verse, C1, E minor 1, F2, and after the F2 you're also gonna play 1 string around of D minor. So that 2nd verse is played C1, E minor 1, F2, and D minor 1. Let's play that together. And then it continues in the same way with the chorus with C, E minor, and F. And then the second and final part or spot where you're going to use this is in the bridge part. It comes after the 2nd chorus at 44 seconds in. No, actually not. It's later. Just kidding. But anyway, in the bridge part after the 2nd chorus, where you're going to play C1, E minor 1, F1 plus 1 down on D minor plus a pause, okay? So just F1 and D minor 1 and a pause, and then you go back to play the main pattern. But pretty much what I mentioned before in the introduction tutorial, C1, E minor 1, and F2, that is pretty much what you need to know to handle this song from Jason Aldean. It's called Hard to Love You, guys. Very, very hard to love you. If you don't support me here on this channel, and I know you do, so thank you for all that, guys. Hope to see you soon. Until next time, play tuned.